Hey, Sales World. Gavin Ty, founder of Sales Market Fit and Enterprise SaaS salesperson. I help B2B service and SaaS companies develop the right sales strategy for their business to accelerate growth. So today I'm going to talk about 3 easy things you can do inside your business to start developing your sales strategy, winning more clients and closing more deals. So let's get into it. So the first and probably the most important priority that I recommend implementing inside your business today is making customer service the focus of your sales strategy. I'm not sure where it's happened, but somewhere along the line, we've forgotten customer service should be the focus of any sales business. We don't need to look very far in other industries to see how important customer service is. Look at the restaurant trade. Waiters and waitresses are so customer service orientated that their businesses simply cannot survive without having great customer service. And that is very quickly becoming apparent for B2B service and SaaS businesses. We need to be able to anticipate our potential clients' needs and remove any speed humps and roadblocks that they may come up against by understanding their client journey and helping them through their buying process as quick as we can. If you can provide great customer service, I have no doubt that you will close more deals quicker. In my role as an enterprise SaaS salesperson, I try to anticipate the needs of my target clients. I want to become an expert in their buying journey to kind of help guide them through as quick as they can to get to a buying decision and into our business as quick as possible. And I do this by making them the focus. I want to concentrate on getting them to a buying decision and giving them the best experience they can because they're less likely to go to the competition. Remember, people buy from people they like. Now, the second priority you should implement for your sales strategy inside your business is always set follow-ups. I'll always bookend a meeting with another meeting, or I'll send an email and say, hey, if it's all right, if I haven't heard from you within 2 or 3 weeks, whatever the right time frame is I will set a follow-up meeting because I want to continually progress the opportunity or continually check in with them to ensure the opportunity is on track. Think of your customers. They're so busy. They've got many priorities. It could easily slip their mind to come back to you within a week or 2 weeks. Now just think about the math of that. If you're seeing someone 5 times before you typically close them, if they don't get back to you on average for 2 weeks after every meeting, you're adding 10 weeks or almost 3 months into your sales funnel. And it delays the sale that long. Not because they're not interested, it's just because it slips their mind. So I'll always set a follow-up. Now the third priority is prioritize lead generation. We must prioritize lead generation. And it's such an easy task to fall down a to-do list and you get to the afternoon and you forget that you've done it and you go, I'll just do it tomorrow. We need constant leads coming into the business. Even if you're not that great at closing them at the stage of your business growth, as long as you have constant leads coming through, you'll learn and adapt and it will be forgiven because you have more clients that will potentially close. You must prioritize lead generation. What I'll do in my world is I'll set my lead generation activity for Monday morning and I will sit there and I will prioritize that period of time to schedule out my lead generation for the rest of the week. Once it's done, I don't have to worry about it anymore. I just have to reap the rewards and when people come back. So no matter what business you're in, if you're in the B2B world, you should be doing some kind of lead generation. So prioritize it, get it off your list. Other than closing current deals, it's the second biggest priority that you need to schedule inside your business. Now, I hope you liked that video today. I'll be releasing more videos on the topics of B2B sales strategy for service and SaaS businesses. So be sure to like and subscribe and you'll be updated when that comes out. Now, if you're having any challenges with your sales strategy and you want some advice, you'll be able to find my details below. Be sure to reach out, and if I can help you, I will. Until then, I'll talk to you next time. See you later.